everyone, I'm Susie Wyshak, a Compass agent coming to you from beautiful North Berkeley here. I wanted to share with you my number one tip for home buyers. This comes after a weekend of open houses where I met so many people who said, we're just starting our search and driving around to open houses, or yeah, we've been searching a while, but we don't have an agent yet. I wanted to share with you my thought that ultimately you are going to use an agent, except unless you're an outlier and you want to try making offers yourself. And you might think, why do agents charge so much? Well, agents are, or should be, your trusted advisor in your home search. You should be depending on them to find properties for you proactively, to help you figure out where you want to live, what you want, anything up with a property that might look good to you, how much you're going to spend, and connect you with any resources you need. Whether you're looking on your own for a year or you have an agent you're working with for a year, you're probably going to end up paying them the same. So if you're not getting an agent because you're worried that you're going to get pressured to buy something, or you're going to get texts every day saying, hey, what's up? How's your search going? You should set expectations with the agent for what you want them to do for you. They are there to serve you and to help you achieve your goals. So do yourself a favor and connect with a buyer's agent early. And in California anyway, our agreements are for 3 months. So if it turns out they're not a fit, you can find a new agent. I've worked with so many home buyers and get that, you know, people want to figure out what they want, especially if it's a couple or maybe friends who are buying together. It takes a while to figure it out. Your buyer's agent is your trusted advisor who should be there and just work with you, whatever your vision is. I wish you all the best in your search. I'm always happy to chat. My number is 510-269-7051, and you can find reviews of me online. Good luck in your search.